Due to its inherent fire resistance, gypsum board, commonly known as drywall, is the premier building material for wall, ceiling, and partition systems in residential, institutional, and commercial structures. Designed to provide a monolithic surface when joints and fastener heads are covered with a joint treatment system, gypsum products also provide sound control, economy, versatility, quality, and convenience. Gypsum board ceiling installation is a methodical process that necessitates skilled craftsmanship. Here are some key techniques. Gonsla is used in the art of installing gypsum board ceilings. 1. Measurement. Accurate measurements and layout planning are crucial to achieve a well-aligned and symmetrical ceiling. This stage involves determining the dimensions of the room, locating light fixtures, and marking the position of the gypsum boards. 2. Designing and framing. The next step involves constructing a framework to support the gypsum boards. Typically, metal studs or wooden frames are installed along the perimeter of the ceiling, creating a grid-like structure. This framework provides stability and ensures the secure attachment of the gypsum boards. 3. Cutting and fitting. Gypsum boards are cut to size using a utility knife or a specialized drywall saw. Care must be taken to achieve clean and precise cuts. The boards are then fitted onto the framework, ensuring a tight and seamless fit. Special attention is given to corners and edges, where additional techniques like mitering or beveling may be employed for a professional finish. 4. Taping and jointing. Once the gypsum boards are in place, the joints and screw heads are covered with joint compound or mud. This compound is applied using a taping knife, followed by the embedding of joint tape to reinforce the joints. Multiple layers of compound are applied and sanded down to create a smooth and seamless surface. The following points can explain the differences between gypsum and plaster of Paris. One of the biggest distinctions between gypsum and plaster of Paris is that gypsum has calcium sulfate dihydrate, whereas plaster of Paris has calcium sulfate hemihydrates. Hence, plaster of Paris has mole of crystallization water, whereas moles of crystallization water is present in gypsum. When gypsum is heated roughly, the crystals of plaster of Paris are obtained. Plaster of Paris sheets are manufactured locally, and there is no special quality control, while gypsum board sheets are manufactured in Pakistan by two renowned companies under expert supervision. Due to this reason, gypsum board is superior in quality. Plaster of Paris grids is locally produced and therefore has less strength, unlike imported gypsum board grids, which are very strong. Chitral and Gilgit often experience earthquakes. That's why this area is called an earthquake zone. Hence, experts recommend gypsum board ceiling instead of plaster of Paris.